Your screen is showing "Not registered on network," and no matter how many times you restart, nothing changes. You cannot make calls, you cannot send messages, you cannot use your data, and your bill is fully paid. This is one of the most frustrating situations a phone user can face. But the good news is you do not need to visit your carrier store, and you do not need to factory reset anything. The fix is sitting right inside your built-in settings, and today I am going to walk you through it, step by step. Welcome back to Gen 2 Solutions. The not registered on network error means your Android has completely lost its connection to your carrier's cell towers. It is not a hardware problem. It is almost always a software configuration issue that your phone can fix by itself with the right steps. I am using a Samsung phone to demonstrate this, but these steps apply to all Android devices. Let us get straight into it. The first thing we are going to do is manually force your phone to search for and lock onto your carrier's towers instead of waiting for it to do it automatically. Open your Settings app. On Samsung, tap on Connections. On other Android phones, tap on Network and Internet. Tap on Mobile Networks. Tap on Network Operators. Right now, this is most likely set to Select Automatically, which means your phone is supposed to find the best tower on its own. But when this setting gets confused or corrupted, your phone stops searching entirely and just shows no signal. We are going to fix that right now. Toggle the automatic selection completely off. Your phone will immediately begin actively scanning every available cell tower in your area. Wait a few seconds for the list to fully load. Once the list appears, find your specific carrier and tap on it to force a direct manual connection. In most cases, your signal bars will come back instantly the moment your phone locks onto that tower. If your signal bars just came back and you can feel your phone coming back to life, take 1 second to hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Gen 2 Solutions family so you never miss our daily Android optimization secrets. Now, if the first method did not fully restore your signal, we need to go one step further and reset your phone's mobile network configuration. Here is something important to understand before we do this. Your phone stores a set of network settings that tell it exactly how to communicate with your carrier's towers. Over time, these settings can become corrupted, especially after a software update or a SIM card change. And when that happens, your phone simply cannot register on the network, no matter how strong the signal is in your area. Resetting these settings wipes out the corruption and lets your phone start fresh. Go back to your main settings. On Samsung, scroll down and tap on General Management. On other Android phones, look for System and tap on it. Tap on Reset. Now tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Before you confirm, I want to give you a clear safety assurance. This reset will not delete a single photo, app, contact, or password on your phone. It only clears the corrupted cellular configuration data that is blocking your connection. Everything personal on your device stays completely untouched. Tap Reset Settings to confirm. Once it completes, restart your phone. When your phone boots back up, it will rebuild its network connection from scratch. And in almost every case, your signal will be fully restored and working perfectly again. By using these two simple built-in steps, you have just done what most people spend an hour waiting in a carrier store for someone else to do. You fixed it yourself in under 2 minutes from your own home. And if you want to make sure your newly restored phone is completely secure, our next video reveals 5 critical signs that your Android is currently being tracked without your knowledge. If any of those signs sound familiar, you need to act immediately. The link is right there in the description. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, just comment it. I reply to every comment. Thank you for watching Gen 2 Solutions, and see you in the next video.